One night to speed up true.
Georgian 7265, radar identified, climb and maintain 16,000.
I maintain 16,000, George 7265.
Georgian 7265, contact Montreal 13505, have a good flight.
3505, thanks a lot, talk to you later.
One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to push and scream, and then breathe.
920 Papa Alpha, contact Toronto 13425, have a good day.
13425, thanks.
We were in love, took off our hands above, to lean on, wouldn't be.
Toronto Terminal, 920 Papa Alpha, level 6000.
920 Papa Alpha, Toronto Center, identified at 6,000. City 8 is Papa, and the altimeter is 2989er.
2989er, we'll get Papa, 0 Papa Alpha.
0 Papa Alpha, new squawk code 6304.
6304, 0 Papa Alpha.
And you kept us awake with closed teeth.
Order 427, what's the speed and the cruise going to be tonight?
Blue Max Cruise of 340 knots, reporter 427.
Okay, check.
To lean on, wouldn't be good enough for me now to call for hands up. To lean on, wouldn't be good
Order 271, contact Montreal Center now, 135.05.
3505, order 271, see ya. Good day.
I didn't do, but I continue.
Point 4, altimeter 29er 89er. The IFR approach is RNAV Alpha. Landing and departing runway 26. Runway 33 is available for arrivals only. Inform ATC that you have information Papa. Toronto City Centre Airport, information Papa, weather at 2300 Zulu, automated observation, wind 320 at 10, gusting 15, visibility 9er, sky clear below 10,000, temperature 18, dew point 4, altimeter 29er 89er. The IFR